Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to upgrade the HOMFPV Micron 2-inch micro quadcopter using the latest all-in-one flight controller by Transtech/HOMFPV, which unlike the original one that the Micron came with, should be able to handle forest batteries. First of all, in terms of packaging, inside the box along with the new all-in-one flight controller you can find the wiring diagram, some stickers, 4 M3 to M2 silicone grommets, a harness for connecting the flight controller directly to a DJI air unit, a 25 volts 330 microfarad capacitor, and an XT30 battery connector, which is pre-soldered to 6 cm long 18-gauge silicone-coated wires. As for its specs, the new all-in-one flight controller features an F4 processor, an integrated 35A BLLES 4-in-1 ESC, it supports up to 6 S batteries, features 3 UART ports, which one of them is using soft serial. It also features a dedicated joystick connector for connecting the flight controller to the DJI Air Unit or Cadex Vista. It has a built-in current sensor, and it is using a USB Type-C connector. So the main differences between the new all-in-one flight controller and the previous one are first of all the build quality, the USB Type-C connector, the ability to support up to 6 S batteries, the higher current rating, the 2 dedicated pads for the soft serial port, and the dedicated joystick connector for the DJI Air Unit. In addition, the dimensions of the new all-in-one flight controller are pretty much identical to the previous one, and surprisingly, even though it has upgraded specs, it is lighter and weighs 8.8 grams. The next thing that I've done is to assemble the new all-in-one flight controller on the HOMFPV Micron. Even though it's a pretty simple procedure, I almost fried the Vista unit, as the 4-pins joystick connector that comes with the flight controller doesn't match the pinout of the 6-pins joystick connector, so VCC was connected to ground and vice versa. Luckily I used the VFly short saver, which can detect reverse polarity, and that's why I highly recommend this accessory, which can save you a lot of money. Overall, after testing the new HOMFPV all-in-one flight controller, I can tell you that it's a blessed upgrade over the original flight controller, since it supports properly forest batteries. It is very much needed for the Micron, as flying it with 3S batteries it feels underpowered, so forest batteries are pretty much a must, especially if you are going to use it with an onboard action camera. You should pay attention, however, that it is pretty much designed to fit the Micron build, which unfortunately doesn't support traditional all-in-one flight controllers, so you might not be able to use it in other builds. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video, and now I'm going to wrap it up with some flight footage. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.